Imagine eating a fruit so ancient that humans were cultivating it before they learned to grow wheat. This unassuming tree has fed civilizations, inspired religions, and remained one of humanity's closest companions for over 11,000 years. Meet the common fig, scientifically known as Ficus carica. Native to the Middle East and Western Asia, the fig tree now grows throughout the Mediterranean, North Africa, Europe, the Americas, and other warm regions of the world. It is considered one of the oldest cultivated fruit trees, with archaeological evidence suggesting it was domesticated more than 11,000 years ago. A member of the mulberry family, the fig thrives in hot, dry climates and continues to be valued for its nutritious fruit, remarkable resilience, and deep cultural significance. The fig tree is a small to medium-sized deciduous tree that usually reaches between 10 and 30 feet in height. Its trunk often twists and thickens with age, developing smooth grey bark and a broad spreading canopy. Large, deeply lobed leaves give the tree a bold tropical appearance while providing dense shade during summer. Its most fascinating feature is the fig itself. Although commonly called a fruit, it is actually a hollow structure known as a syconium, containing hundreds of tiny flowers hidden inside. As it ripens, the fig turns green, yellow, purple, brown, or nearly black depending on the variety. Slice one open and you'll find sweet crimson flesh filled with countless tiny edible seeds. Fig trees love full sun and warm weather. They grow best in regions with long summers, mild winters, and well-drained soil. Once established, they become highly drought-tolerant thanks to their deep root systems, making them ideal for dry climates. Young trees benefit from regular watering, but mature trees require surprisingly little maintenance. Their ability to thrive in rocky, nutrient-poor soils has helped them spread across the Mediterranean for thousands of years. Figs have been an important food source since ancient times. The fruit is naturally rich in fiber, potassium, calcium, antioxidants, and essential minerals. It can be eaten fresh, dried, baked into desserts, made into jams, or added to salads and savory dishes. Because dried figs store well without refrigeration, they became a valuable food for travelers and merchants throughout history. The leaves are also used in cooking to wrap fish, meat, and rice, adding a subtle earthy flavor. Traditional medicine has also made use of the tree's sap and leaves for generations. Few plants have left a greater mark on human history. Ancient Egyptians buried figs with their dead, while Greeks considered them symbols of prosperity and strength. The Romans believed the fig tree played a role in the legendary founding of Rome. The fig is mentioned throughout the Bible and the Quran, symbolizing peace, abundance, and wisdom. A close relative of the common fig, the sacred fig, is traditionally believed to be the tree beneath which Siddhartha Gautama attained enlightenment. Across many Mediterranean cultures, planting a fig tree near the home became a symbol of good fortune and family prosperity. The fig tree hides some incredible secrets. Each species of fig relies on its own specialized fig wasp for pollination, creating one of nature's most remarkable partnerships. A healthy fig tree can continue producing fruit for more than a century. The flowers never bloom outside the fruit. They remain hidden inside the developing fig, throughout their entire life cycle. And despite producing sweet fruit, the tree releases a milky white latex that can irritate human skin when branches or leaves are broken. Fig trees are among the easiest fruit trees to grow. They need full sunlight, occasional deep watering during extended dry periods, and light annual pruning to remove dead or crowded branches. Adding compost each spring supports healthy growth, while young trees may need winter protection in colder climates. With proper care, a single tree can provide reliable harvests for decades. Figs must be picked only after they fully ripen, because they stop ripening once removed from the tree. A ripe fig becomes soft, richly colored, and begins to droop from the branch. Because the fruit bruises easily, harvesting is usually done by hand. Fresh figs are best eaten within a few days, while drying them preserves their sweetness for months. For over 11,000 years, the fig tree has nourished people, inspired traditions, and quietly witnessed the rise of civilizations. What plant would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating stories from the plant kingdom, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.